Sometime about 12:45 p.m. today, members of my team on patrol in the Kingston Central area responded to information that men were seen unloading stolen items from a truck onto two other vehicles in the era circle area. On arrival, four suspects were apprehended after a large quantity of paints were recovered from three vehicles: a truck, a Probox, and an IS minibus. The paints recovered are believed to be the subject of a larceny investigation in the St. Andrews Central area. Members of the Halfway Tree CIB are leading investigation in that matter.